Hello, here's a situation. Dad did an amazing job of doing all the fences you can see. We just ran out of time to do these top and bottom rails. So I'm going to do that right now and finish off his work. He's made up these jigs, so I'm going to try and use them and see how it go. So Dad made up these jigs, so you screw this into the post. You can do it by yourself, so you slide the rails in there and you can go on the other side and do the same. So it can sit there and then you can screw it in. Meant to have tornadoes today, hence why I'm screwing these on so they don't fly off onto the ground. It's like a beautiful day. Put one in. Hopefully I've got that one rail set. The rest should be easier. Alright, so that looks good. Happy with that. Now, because I've got the top one on, I'm just going to go and steal Dad's measurement from the gap between the top and the bottom of that one, so I can just make them even on this side to match it. And now I'm just going to take, obviously measure from the bottom of the top one down to the top of the bottom one, and that's going to be my gap. Dropped a bit there. So that's bang on 400. All right, now I've got this little dicky part I'm going to have a go at from that post to this post. It's pretty awkward, so I'm going to see, we'll see how it goes. 18. Oh, if I cut a bit off. I think I got that little corner sorted. Now I'm just gonna, because I need to paint the inside of that one. So now I'm gonna paint the outside while I'm doing that as well. I'm nearly finished. Maybe this is this side. Yeah. For this side, I just want to make sure this gap is 400. It's just resting on the screw down below. Needs to go up 15 mil. Awesome. Might get 100 mil screw for that. Somehow that line, the screw lined up perfectly in the star picket hole and then went through the post. That's a wrap.